Today we're going to talk about one of the most asked questions that I get anytime I wear my Jester cosplay, and that is, how long does it take to get blue? While it may look like magic, it's actually the magic of We Love Colors. They sent me one of their seamless shirts to do a review of, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to get ready as Jester, and then we will talk about this beautiful seamless shirt that we got. This is their seamless shirt in sky blue. It matches my Jester face paint almost perfectly. The gloves are built into the shirt. And as you can see, I've already put the front little fingernails on it to make it look more realistic. And there are no visible seams. The only seams that you can see a little bit are here on the shoulders. But once again, that's not that visible. I am also excited about the material. The material is kind of like the dry fit exercise material. So it's not real thick, but also I think it's going to have some pretty good coverage. So what we're going to do is get ready as Jester, put this thing on, and then we'll talk about it some more. And probably cause some chaos. Because it's Jester. I'm coming back as Jester in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys! Okay, so at this point, as you can see, I have put on my base blue. We are using Mayron, and this is the light blue, and this only took 20 minutes. So really, this is all the face paint I probably have to do. Once I put on the turtleneck, we will look at the neck just to see if there's any additional spots. I don't really worry about the back of my neck because Jester wears long hair most of the time, so sometimes I do paint my ears, but I don't want to do all that today, so we're going to skip that part. So, time check, 20 minutes. And we are blue. Now I'm going to go contour and become Jester some more. See you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I am Jester. So the entire process of doing the makeup and finishing getting blue probably only took an hour. The hardest part for me most days is the base of the face paint. So some days I have to redo that multiple times. It just depends on my face and how it wants to act that day. So sometimes I may have to redo that a couple times, and that usually does add to the get ready time. But today we were lucky, and that only took 20 minutes. And then the rest of the time I was contouring and the blush and the eyes and all those fun things. So I have on the shirt that they sent, the seamless shirt. I do like the material. The material is breathable. You can kind of see my elbows a little bit through it. So I do like that the other one was a little thicker. So that's really my only complaint on that. The neck on the turtleneck is very smooth and it does blend nicely. I probably will put a choker on too to kind of blend it in a little bit better. I did find it difficult getting ready with the nails on. So usually I have just the normal turtleneck bodysuit, and then I have the gloves on, which look how seamless this is. I do like that this one is completely seamless and it looks so much more natural. But it did make things like putting in an earring impossible, or bobby pins were difficult because nails. And I do feel like the nails do sell it. So I may do what some other cosplayers that I've seen do, and they pull a little bit right here up by the wrist, and they just cut a slit into the shirt, and then they sew it up so that you can actually pull the back of it off and have use of your hands. So I may end up incorporating that because overall I do love how it looks. It is very seamless. You can see the seam here. One of the main things for me anytime I'm Jester is this is water-based face paint, so trying to stay cool is a huge thing, especially at conventions here in the South. So the material of this really is breathable and does make it a lot less warm wearing this. So if you want to be blue in the nick of time so that you can hurry on your adventure, then check out We Love Colors. I have a ton of their products. They make a variety of colors, so really anything that you're looking for, they probably have. They also sell like different bodysuits, they have turtlenecks, they have sleeveless, they have just all kind of different things. So just go check them out, and thank you for joining, and I hope you have a little chaos in your day. Bye!